ako sa point. Dumating ako sa point na parang kailangan ko magpanggap ng konti to fit in. I mean, no lies here, ha?
Yes.
Pero, syempre, lalo na kung nag-start kang mag-work sa ibang lugar, syempre, meron ka ding effort to try to fit in.
Oh.
Pero I don't think na dumating naman ako sa point na sobrang social climber to the point na I'm going out of my way. Yung iba kasi, when you say social climber, parang they're putting too much effort to the point na sila na yung naaapektuhan just to try to fit in or just to try to climb the social.
Oo.
Let's say, para lang masabing you're keeping up with today's trends, uutang ka ng malaki para magkaroon ng bonggang phone.
Yung kaibigan
yung
ko,
mga
may
ganyang
ganyan.
keme, parang naiinggit ka na to the point na, yun nga, you're going out of your way just to try to fit in. Yun yung parang hindi na healthy
Oo.
sa pagiging social climber.
So sa tingin mo, yung halimbawa yung sa standards mo ng yung mga ginawa mo to like climb the social. Yung sabi mo nga, sa tingin mo ba masama siya?
Depende sa goal, pero to answer your question, I don't see anything wrong about you being social climber. It's just that kung hanggang saang level ka ng pagiging social climber, nagiging social climber. Just like me, I'm a content creator and may mga times na uma-attend tayo ng mga events. Ma-attend tayo ng mga events. Minsan kailangan i-adjust mo the way how you speak. Hindi po pwedeng yung kanal-kanalang kung bunganga, bigla kang iimbitahin sa mga gala-gala na ganyan-ganyan. Bigla kang magkakanal-kanalan doon. You're not trying to climb the social. You were just trying to adjust and to adapt to whatever's the environment needs.
At nakakapagod yun, kung ganun.
Actually, yes.
Hindi, nakakapagod yung ganung hindi ka nawawala yung pagiging naturalesa mo.
Yun,
Totoo.
Tapos gusto mo makifit. I mean, para sa akin, sobrang nakakapagod yun. Iisipin mo yung gagawin mo, sasabihin mo. Tapos, maaansa ka pa na, okay ba yun? Okay ba yung ginawa ko na yun?
Actually,
Diba?
Pero again, there's a thin line nga.
Yes.
There's a thin line between you adjusting to whatever the environment needs or you being yourself. Kailangan you meet halfway kasi kailangan hindi naman po pwedeng lagi kang totoo sa sarili mo.
Yes.
Dapat mai-adjust mo rin yung sarili mo to the need of
Actually.
whoever is around you.
I think yung sinasabi mo na parang safe zone na pag-social climb, kitinuro to sa school eh.
Ay,
Talaga
sa
po.
Poveda.
So, sa Poveda.
Sa Poveda.
Tsaka yung halimbawa, sapatos mo, hindi man branded, malinis.
Presentable.
Yan.
It's how you present yourself.
I think andun lang yung safe. Pero yung sinasabi mo, pag gumastos ka pa, bumili ka ng...
Na hindi naman kailangan.
Oo.
Yung na-mention mo kasi, parang kailangan din siyang gawin kasi it matters the way how we present ourselves to the people. Let's say, nasa business tayo, meeting, blah, blah, blah. It really matters. So, pero yung ganun nga, kailangan mo pang bumili ng napakamahal just to impress people? No.
Pero naiintindihan ko yung mga ganyang tao naman din. What if, kung galing din sila sa hirap, no? Tapos yung tao na nabigyan ng pagkakataon na yumaman or nagkaroon ng pera tapos ginawa nilang yung bagay na I think they deserve it.
Pero I don't think that's social climbing anymore kasi you can already afford it.
Yes,
na.
yes.
Tsaka, you're not going out of your way anymore. I can just simply kaya ko nang bilhin to. I can just simply afford this. So I'm just gonna buy it. So there's
Tama.
nothing wrong about it naman.
Tama.
More tawa mo sa